Hi, in this video I'm going to show how you can use update commands. To note, this is a continuation from my previous video where I talked about the create commands in MongoDB. First thing you need to do is to start your MongoDB shell. Alright, so I'm going to use the Dominoes database that I have created before. And then I'm going to have a look at the collections that I have. So I still have the customers collection. So remember, collections are like tables in relational database. So whatever that you insert, would be inside the collections in the form of documents. So now the update commands here is on the documents inside the customers collections. So let's say we want to have a look at what are the documents that we have in our collection, our customers collection. Okay, so we created a document previously with the first name John and the last name Doe. Let's say now I want to add gender to this document. So I'm going to use the update command and I'm going to specify the document that I am interested in updating. After that, I'm going to use the set command, and I'm going to add, the gender, the gender for John Doe, the gender, oops, I missed this, gender is male, and I'm closing my two curly braces, my bracket, and I'm putting there a semicolon. So here we see that n modified equals to 1, so it means we have successfully modified this document. So if you want to check, you can simply use the db.customers.find command, alright, and there we have the gender male. Let's say we want to add another name value, which is age. So we're going to use the same command, update command, but instead of male here, we can change the gender to age. And 45. So there we have modified one, and again if we were to use the find command, we can see that the age has actually been added. Another sort of update is to update the value itself by increasing the number. So since age is a number, so we can use an increment to increase the number there. Let's say John is actually 48 years old, and therefore we want to increase his age by 3. The command that you can use, is db.customers.update. It's the same one, it's the same command, right? I think I'm just going to use the up and down key button, keys. So over here, alright, instead of set, we use inc, which is increment, and specify the age, to be 3. This will increase John's age from 45 to 48. And again, just simply use the up and down arrows, and then use the find command, and there we have it. Age has been changed, actually incremented to 48. This can only be done if your name value is number. Alright, another sort of update is where you want to remove a specific name value. Let's say we don't want age. We found out later on we really don't need to have age in this document. We only need to have the first name, the last name, and the gender. So what we can do is that we use the update command, alright, and then here instead of inc, we use the command unset, and we specify gender, and here instead of 3 we specify 1 to indicate true, 0 to indicate false. So since we want to remove this age name value, so we put 1 there to say that we want to unset it. Okay, so we have modify equals to 1, and let's have a look if it was successful. So there we have, age is no longer there, only first name, last name, and gender is still remaining. Alright, another kind of update, okay, involves renaming the name value. So let's say we don't want to use gender as the name value, but instead we want to use the word sex. Alright, so we still use the update command, okay, and here at the onset we replace it with rename, and then we specify, okay, gender, gender to sex. Oh, my bad, I needed to specify gender in quotes because it is a name. Okay. Alright, so we have modify equals to 1, and when we do a find, we can see that gender name value has been changed to sex. Okay, so that covers pretty much the basic operations that you can do with an update, okay, in MongoDB. So hopefully it will be very beneficial to you. Bye.